Welcome to M2 Rapid Repair AI. To ensure that you receive the best experience with our system, be sure to visit the Learning Center where you can view videos on how to use the software. Also, join our Facebook support group to get any questions you may have answered, and be sure to join us for our live weekly trainings to help you execute as well. If you have any questions, concerns, or issues with the software, please be sure to click the support tab in your menu bar for assistance. Welcome again and happy attacking.